Rooster. Was it? Whoa.
Message from 72898. You can say read it or ignore.
Read it.
You have 2 brand new customers so far in March. Great work. Thanks for telling others about Melaleuca. Jerry Felton. You can say reply, call, or I'm done.
I'm done. Parker!
Did you record the chicken?
Yeah, it was. Hi. What? Look, I got video. See, look at the rooster. You can see the rooster in the video. Is that a rooster? Bye, rooster. Yay! Alright, come on, close Grandma's door. Where you going, Parker? Where you going? Oh, you want to look in the window? What's in there? Is that Hayden's room? You're looking in Hayden's room? You can't see much in there. Can you see? You can't open it. Can't open it. Only from the inside. Look. Hey, Rooster. Bye, Rooster. Aw. Don't step in there. Rooster. Where's the rooster, Parker? Don't go in there. Where's the rooster? He's right there. Okay, where's the rooster? Is that the rooster? Shut up. Oh, he said, did you hear him?
Yeah.
Good job, Parker. Is that what the rooster says?
No.
Do it again. What did he say? What'd that rooster say?
It looks like he's like burning hot.
Yeah, I'm sure he is.
Or you want to take your jacket off?
Why don't you take off your coat? It's hot out. What did the rooster say? What did he say? You gotta pull this down. No, Angry Birds.
Oh, that's a very warm shirt.
No.
Yeah.
Grandma bought that for him. You have your own.
Doesn't look good.
Oh, shut up. What's the rooster say, Parker? What'd the rooster say? Is that Pop-Pop's truck? Pop-Pop's truck. No. Come on. Rooster. Daddy's truck. Where you going? Don't scare me. Looking in Daddy's truck. What? Come on, Parker. Come on. Let's go. Grandma was looking for you. Come on. Grandma's looking for us. Come on. Come on. There's the rooster. Tell Grandma what the rooster says. He did it. I got it on video, too. What's the rooster say, Parker? Say it. Tell Grandma.
What's the rooster say? Yeah, I'm waving. I'm waving hi to you like I told you to do.
What's the rooster say? Tell Grandma what the rooster says. Say it.
That rooster ain't gonna like those angry birds. You better get your ass inside. Sit on the step.
You talking to the rooster?
Sit down.
Good, sit. It's not that difficult. You would just sit on the top step.
Now, talk to the rooster. Parker.